Hello, in this video we are going to fly by the waypoints defined in the graphical interface and listed in the text file, and in the end of the video I will show how to make such a file from this graphical interface. Here we have in Sims IoT devices flight simulation 2 files. We are now talking about those files: ArduPilot Waypoints Python file and Mission Waypoints. The ArduPilot point here, Waypoints, is the file that flying the copter according to the predefined waypoints. And the mission waypoints is a text file with relevant with the relevant points that we want to fly during our mission. So we have the following screen. First I will run the program. You can see that the copter is going up, the altitude is rising, and you can see here inside the horizon indicator screen that is our height. We reached waypoint number 1, 2, 3, flying to number point 4, and now it's flight point number 5 and 6. Okay, and now we are landing at our final destination. So how this program is actually working? Just let us land. It's 2 meters, 1 meter. Okay, we are landed, and we hit the ground at the following velocity. It's the program is actually here. So we have a communication, a UDP communication. We define the waypoints from this file, which is in the same directory, mission waypoints text file. Then we define our mode. We arm the drone, fly according to those points, and land. Here you can see the exact implementation in Python for all those things. I will not go over the code. What I want to show you is how you can make such a file. For example, I want to define a new road. So we choose mission, draw. We want to go to the 10 meters high. Okay, and then by the right mouse I can define different points. For example, I defined this way. Now I'm pressing the right mouse button. Okay, so this is the waypoints, and now I can save it. Mission save to here, to document simulation, and we have here by the waypoints. I'll call this waypoints. Save. But be careful, because if we will look on this file, this is the file. You can see here that the automatically generated file, for some reason, put the height of 584 meters and choose the height of 100 meters and not 10 meters as we specified. So in our simulation, I change it by hand to the 10 meters, 10 meters, 10 meters, and you can see here In our file, it's always a 10 meters file just to make the relevant height that I wanted. And we have demonstrated how to run a code running to predefined waypoints. We demonstrated how to make such a file and also how to correct this file in order to work correctly. Thank you.